Hey guys, welcome back. And today we start with a new method from sets, which is intersection method. Now we did a lot of method earlier, which was symmetric update, difference, symmetric difference update, add. This is a different method altogether. What it does is it is used to find the common elements between two or more sets. Yeah. So it returns a new set containing only the elements that are present in all the sets that are being compared. Now, this function can be called on a set and passed one or more sets as arguments. Yeah. So it is used to find common elements between one or more sets. That's the crux of this particular method. Now you can use an AND operator also can be used to achieve the same result. So you can also use this, which we'll see at a later stage. Yeah. Let's first go through the syntax of intex intersection. Hold. Let me put the syntax so that you can see this. So it is the set name. You have to give the set name dot intersection. And then you have to specify the other sets. Yeah. Now this parameter that we have added accepts variable number of set objects as parameters. Yeah. So what others does is it accepts variable number of sets as parameter. Yeah. Variable number of sets as parameter. Okay. So this is what you need to remember. So that's the syntax. Let's quickly jump on to how we can perform this action. Yeah. Uh, let's uh, let's try to find out common elements within multiple sets using intersection. Yeah. So we'll create a set, probably set one that is equal to 1, 2, 3. You can get alphabets as well. So right now I'm taking numbers, so it is very easier for us to understand. Yeah. So we'll first check intersection between uh, one set. Yeah. So one set or two sets intersection or two sets intersection. Am I spelling it right? Okay. So that is equal to, as we remember, what was the, so I need to give the set one first, in which I have to upload it. I'll just add the set three to it. So these are the two sets that I want to intersect. Yeah. Let's see the output. So we'll get the common numbers between or common entities or the items or the elements within the sets within this two. So 3, 4, 5 are the common elements between this set 1 and set 2. Okay. So same way, if I do it for three sets. So this time I do it for three sets. So what I need to do is just add a comma and add the another set. So let's print this. Yeah. So this have multiple sets intersections. Yeah. So let's see what is the output. So the intersection between all of these three sets is 5. So 5 is present here, 5 is present in the second set, and 5 is present in the third set as well. Whereas other entities are not present in all the set. So for example, 3, 4 is present in first set, 3, 4 is present in second set, but it is not present in third set. That's why when we are trying to intersect all three sets, it will take the common element between all three of them. Yeah. Now, what we can do is we can also use lambda expression to create an inline function for selection of elements with the help of filter function. How do we do this is use we can use. How do we do that? Okay. So suppose I have a function. I'll say define intersection list one and list two or array, any array that I want to input. Yeah. And I'll say return list. Yeah. Return list and filter. So what I'm trying to do is, let me add this formula, explain you the formula first. So using the filter method, yeah, I'm trying to find identical values via lambda function. Yeah. So I'm trying to filter lambda x and x in list 1 and 2. Yeah. This way, I am able to filter out the common entities. Yeah. So how would I do that? So suppose I have this list 1, list 2, result, and I am calling this function intersection, which I have created above. Yeah. And result, the return will give me the result that those are common elements between this two lists. So there's one way of finding an intersection between two, but this again we have to write a formula wherein we have a straightforward formula for sets. Yes, so we can convert a list to a set and then use this intersection formula rather than having this complicated formula being used for your instance. As I said earlier, we can also find intersection using an ampersand operator. Yeah. So how do we do that? So using an ampersand operator, suppose I have a set 1 of intersection using ampersand operator. Yeah. So I have this set 1 which we have created earlier. Yes, I'll have this 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I have this two sets. Now intersection set is set 1 and the ampersand formula that we are ampersand symbol that we are using to get an intersection. So let's see what happens. So we have this intersection using the ampersand operator as well. Yeah. Or I can add, let's try adding one more set, set 3. Yeah, we had a set 3 earlier as well. Let me copy that. So the output that we are supposed to get is 5. Let's see if it supports multiple ANDs. Yeah, it's the same output that we had earlier when we tried to get multiple sets intersection. Pretty clear and pretty easy to understand, I guess. Now, we can also check what happens when you try to put a intersection with an empty set. Yeah. So I will use the same set 1, but I'll keep the second set as empty. Let's see what happens. Since there is no intersection, it will give you an empty set. Output is empty set since there is no intersection. Yes. So this is how you can use intersection to find common elements between multiple sets. Remember the key point, it is used to find common elements between multiple sets and the result is stored in a different variable. So it does not overwrite the existing set. We'll see in another section where the existing set gets updated. Yeah, here we saw how a new variable is created with the intersection of the sets. So my original sets are not changed. In our next video, we'll see intersection update where the original set where we are trying to find the intersection gets updated. Yeah. Hope you understood this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment on the video if you have any kind of queries or comment related to the examples, or if you want any more explanations, or if you want to share your thoughts, which will help my viewers to get some more understanding or more knowledge about this concept. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get such informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.